Today we're going to be drawing a dog like Romero Britto. We're going to start with a full sheet of white paper, and we're going to take that paper and fold it in half. You want to make sure that when you're folding it, you fold it hamburger style and not hot dog style. This is super important for starting our project. I now have a crease in the middle of my paper, which is going to be where I start. Right above that crease, you're going to draw an upside down triangle. This is going to be the nose of your dog. You want it to be about the size of a quarter. If it's too tiny, then you'll have a very small drawing. As you watch me draw step by step, don't forget to pause the video when needed so that you can work at your own pace. Also remember, we all have different great ideas, so if you want to do something that I didn't in my drawing, go for it. Now, if you're more of a cat person, you can do the same steps, but you just want to change a few things. For example, you could make pointy ears. I made my eyes like wavy lines. You want a longer tail and some whiskers for sure. Here is my Romero Britto cat and my Romero Britto dog, and now we're going to get to coloring. Remember to use bright and vibrant colors and add a variety of patterns in each section. Your goal is to create a different pattern or color scheme for each section. Sometimes I just use a solid color in a section, and that's okay too.